Welcome to Firoza. Once you've logged in, made your account, and completed KYC, you'll be able to see on the dashboard all of the yield investment pools that you have access to. Here is a gold financing pool, and along the bottom you can see all the other pools. For this example, we're going to show how to invest within the South African Trade Finance pool. To read more about these pools, you can click the About This Pool section and read the descriptions here. And you can see all the details of how this pool operates in this pool overview screen. Once you've decided which pool you want to invest in, you simply click Invest. Right now we're going to select 1,000 XLR USDC and we're going to approve. This is going to bring up our MetaMask wallet to approve the transaction. Next, and approve. You see it's been successfully approved, and what's happening now is the smart contract is logging this approval. You want to wait just a few moments, and then once you see the invest button here, you want to be able to click it again to now invest that money that you have just approved, which we're going to do now. This will now bring up another MetaMask screen to give a second approval to confirm. And now we're going to confirm that, and you see deposit has been successful. We initially had 55,000 invested in this pool, and now we've got 56,000. And that's how you invest in a Firoza pool.